Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a Missguided haul for you. I am super excited. They have got the nicest bits in their new in section. Like, you need to check it out. I picked up some amazing bits, so I am gonna jump straight into this. Okay, first off, brace yourselves, get yourself ready, prepare yourself mentally, because honestly, you're not ready for what I'm about to show you. Have you seen this jacket? I am totally obsessed with this. I just love the iridescent green / orangey colour of the sequins. This is £55 and they've got a skirt to match, which I'm really tempted to buy. It's like a mini skirt, and this is from their festival section and it's just unbelievable. Like, this is so perfect for a night out, but as you guys know, I'm a little bit extra, hence the top. This is actually from Missguided as well. I'll link it down below along with all the rest of these items. But yeah, I'm a bit extra. I would wear this during the day, like no problem whatsoever. I would wear this just with a pair of like high-waisted jeans, maybe a crop top or a vest underneath, or a cami, just something really simple. And just some sandals and some big shades. How cute would that look? Oh, I did actually pick out some shades which I think will look so cool with that jacket. So Missguided have loads of brands in at the minute. They've got, oh, do you know that Umbro top that I've been wearing the hell out of? They've now done a collaboration with Kappa. The Madison Beer collection has recently dropped. I need to get myself some bits from that collection. They've got, oh my gosh, they've got Von Dutch. They've got Von Dutch. Who remembers Von Dutch? Like, come on, the caps, how cool. And Timberland, literally, they've got it all going on. They've also got Quay sunglasses. So I picked up a couple of pairs, right? So I picked up these ones. How stylish are these? They do come in this little pouch, which is very handy. And I just thought that these would look so cool. They're a little bit edgy while being stylish. I think these were around £45–50. These particular ones are sold out at the minute, but they've got similar ones, so I'll link those down below. And they've got just loads of different styles, and I think they're so gorgeous. I've wanted a pair of Quay sunglasses for ages and I've just never picked any up, but I just thought these would look absolutely stunning in summertime, especially with a bright lip. Like, I'm obsessed. I also picked up these ones. These are actually the Desi Perkins ones, and they're that aviator sort of style, and they've got a faded lens, which I think is really cool as well. These again are sold out at the minute, but they do have them in rose gold, which I am lusting after. They're so beautiful with the pink reflective lenses. Oh my gosh, guys, they are gorgeous. But I picked up these black ones just because I thought they'd be really versatile. I think I might have to get my hands on the pink ones though, they're really beaut. So I got a few bits from their Kappa collection. I can't resist me a bit of urban sportswear, and I absolutely love the top that I got from the Umbro collection. You guys have seen me wearing that a lot. I've worn it a lot more than I thought I would, to be honest. When I saw it on the website, I thought, oh, that looks really cool, but I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off. And I was actually so surprised at how easy it is to style. And then I saw their Kappa collection and I was like, I need to pick up some bits from this collection. I am a 90s kid and it just kind of brings me back to my childhood, although I didn't used to wear Kappa when I was a child. I wasn't allowed because it was a bit chavvy, but I'm all about its revival, to be honest. So I did pick up this white crop top. This is £50, which is expensive, but it's obviously because of the brand, but I just think that this is actually really versatile. I'll wear this just with high-waisted jeans, which you guys know I wear all the time, and it's just kind of my vibe, to be honest. Like, even with this makeup look, a pair of hoops or a pair of statement earrings, a pair of trainers or Converse, and you're good to go with this. I just think it's so cool and edgy, but also, like I said, easy to wear. So they've got some mixy matchy bits, and I picked up these shorts to go with that top, and I just really like them. These are £35. And I thought that I could wear these to do yoga in and stuff, and just around the house. I probably wouldn't go out in these just because I rarely wear shorts to go out, and I think that they're a really nice sort of cash item for just chilling in, running errands, like that sort of thing when the weather's nice. And I think these would look super cute with a pair of slides or that crop top, or even just a vest or something during the summer. I also picked up this cropped nude hoodie from the collection. I like the black against the nude. I think it's a really nice contrast, and you've also got the branding on the hood here as well. It is kind of cut off a little bit, but that doesn't bother me personally. I know one of you guys noticed on the Umbro top that the Umbro emblem kind of ended halfway through it on the sleeve, which I would not have even noticed if it wasn't for one of you guys pointing it out. For me personally, this doesn't bother me. This top is £40 and it's just really nice quality. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's just a nice weight for spring, summertime, and I'm really excited to wear it. They've got shorts that are the same as that hoodie, like the white ones. They're basically the same as the white ones, but they're nude. But I did pick up these leggings. These are £35 and I just thought that this would make a super cute outfit. I did think when I picked these out that they might be a little bit see-through just because of the colour of them and because they're leggings, and they are see-through, so you definitely need to wear a thong with these. I think a high-waisted one as well, because although these are not really high-waisted leggings, they do come up to your belly button, so you'd need quite a high-waisted thong to go underneath this, and I would suggest wearing a nude one. I actually tried these on without knickers on because I don't have a high-waisted nude thong, but I will have to invest in one. I just think these paired with that crop top would be super cute, but yeah, just be aware that they're not see-through. Like, you can't see your body through them. They don't cling to lumps and bumps or anything like that, but it's just the knicker situation. You definitely need some kind of thin nude knickers to go underneath, and it would have to be a thong because, I don't know, it's just very skin tight and you would definitely be able to see them. Or if you're a fan of wearing no knickers, then you're sorted. I personally can't like go out and not wear knickers, but I've got a friend who never wears knickers. Like, she literally cannot wear them. She hates them, so each to their own. So I've been after a pair of camo trousers for a while, and they've got some amazing ones that I'm lusting after on Missguided. I'm gonna link them down below so you can check them out. They were totally sold out in my size, so I went for camo joggers instead, and I picked these ones out. They're slightly high-waisted. They've got a drawstring. These are £25 and I got them in a size 6 because they were sold out in a 4. I usually get a 4 on Missguided, so I was wondering, like, will they be slightly too big? And they are just ever so slightly too big. I'll still wear them for chilling in. They're super comfy. But I do wish that I'd waited until they restocked and just got a 4, because there is just a bit of excess fabric kind of around the pocket area, and it makes me look a little bit bigger than I am, but that is my fault for picking out the wrong size. I was just too eager. These are £25 and I also love the fact that they've got cuffed bottoms because I've got short legs. These are from the petite section actually, and they have these in their normal sizing too. So as always guys, leave me a comment and let me know what your favourite item from this haul was. Mine's the sequin jacket. I mean, come on, it's just the best jacket I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm so excited to wear it. It's so extra, but just so unbelievably beautiful. And also, I never say this, but if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, guys. It helps me out a lot, lets me know what you're into, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!